Hello everyone, welcome to the second part of Want to Work in Amazon? Here is how. In this video, I'll be talking about how you can prepare for an Amazon interview, how to structure your answers, and some key tips to increase your chances of success. So let's dive in. First, let's go over Amazon's typical interview process. As every other organization, it usually consists of multiple stages, and the interview process differs from role to role. What I am covering today is the most common Amazon interview process. In hiring, the first step is an application review. So once you apply through Amazon.jobs, your resume will review by the recruiter, and if your profile matches the job requirements and if they want to proceed with your application, they will contact you for the next steps. Step 2 is an online assessment. So, if you're applying for a tech related job or a designer specific role, you might get an online assessment to evaluate your functional and technical skills. Step number 3 is a phone screen interview. This is a call, like a 30 minutes or 45 minutes call to understand your background, your experience, and also you can expect some behavioral type questions in this. Step number 4 is loop interview. This is where you will have multiple interview with different team members, and Amazon called this a loop interview. And this is the most important part in the process. And this would be a series of 2 to 3 in-depth interviews. Now that you know the process, here is how you can prepare effectively. One of the biggest thing Amazon look for is whether you align with the 16 leadership principles. So these leadership principles are the core value that guide Amazon's culture. You can go to Amazon.jobs. I will also add link in my description so that you can go through it and have a deeper understanding on it. So once again, this is really important to understand these leadership principles and include them in your answers. Now, when answering questions, Amazon expects a clear structure. The best way to do this is by using STAR method. It stands for situation, task, action, and result. You can describe the situation where you were in and give enough details for the interviewer to understand the complexities of the situation and explain what was the goal that you wanted to achieve. You can describe the actions that you have taken, not the team or the group, but as an individual, what step did you take? And remember to use the word I and not we. And in results, you can describe the outcome or the impact of your actions, and you can include the details like how did it end, or how did you accomplish this, or what did you learn. Remember to provide examples using the metrics or data if applicable. And here are my final tips to help you ace your Amazon interview. Research Amazon's culture and your role. Read about Amazon's business, the latest news, and your job description in detail. Be clear and concise. Amazon's value structured and data driven answers, so get to the point quickly. Use real numbers, so if possible, include certain metrics or data in your answers. Ask smart questions. So at the end of the interview, you can ask questions about your team or your role or career growth opportunities. Tip number 5 is practice. Do a mock interview with your friend or record yourself answering the common questions. And some important things to remember that is Amazon's hiring process is really competitive. Thousands of people apply for every job. So even if you are a great fit, you might not get selected at the first try. But don't let that discourage you. If you don't make it this time, learn from your experience, keep improving your interview skills, and try again. Many Amazonians, including me, did not go through the first attempt. So keep applying, keep trying, just don't give up. And once again, go through Amazon.jobs. It's a great resource with a lot of details and FAQs regarding each steps and process, and the link is in my description. That's all in this video. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe, and don't forget to let me know in the comments. Good luck. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.